Hi, I'm Yannick van Doorne from Electroculture, and I want to show you how to prevent weed growing in gravels, in stones, in little stones of your pathways or in your gardens. It's very important to pay attention to the paramagnetic quality or measurement of the gravel. Why? Because the more the gravel, the stones are paramagnetic, the more weeds you will help to grow. The more plants will like that gravel to grow in. So if you want that your pathways stay clean, empty of weeds, then you need to choose gravels without any paramagnetism that are diamagnetic. So I will show you an example. Here you have, for example, this is clay bricks that are in pieces, and when you bake clay, it becomes a little bit paramagnetic, so it will be in resonance with the magnetic field of the earth. It will capture that magnetic energy and give to the plants and the seeds, and so you will have a lot of weeds growing, like here you see, even that it's planted on a plastic, but it doesn't change because the energy of the gravel with the moisture will stimulate weeds growing, and so you will have a lot more work to entertain to make it clean every week, every month. So it's a lot of work that you can prevent if you would choose another kind of gravel that is diamagnetic in place of paramagnetic. Here another example of a gravel that is diamagnetic. It's a very like kind of limestone. Is very diamagnetic. Well, here you see it stay clean, and you have almost no plants, no weeds. You see, that's for example. Probably the employee that cleaned it at the same time the different places here, and you see that the one with the red bricks has a lot more weeds inside than the one with the white stones. That's because of paramagnetism. And so you see that if you know a little bit about paramagnetism, that it can help you to choose the white stones for your pathways, like here, or for the decoration of your garden. It's very important to make the right choice, because here we are in a garden of Ludwigsburg, of the castle of Ludwigsburg. It's like 30 hectares. It's more than 60 acres big. You have 20 to 30 people that are hired to work in that garden, to make it clean, to plant, to entertain the plants. And if you have a lot more weeds to take out, it's a lot more work, and so it's a lot of money to pay all those workers. So it's very important for sure for big gardens to pay attention to this. For this you have a paramagnetic soil meter that can be interesting. If you need to choose the right gravel for your gardens, you can use the PSM Van Doorne meter, where you can measure the paramagnetism. And if you want a weed-free zone with gravel, then you choose gravel with almost zero paramagnetism, or the lowest as possible. And if you want to make like a grass field, but that is very strong, hard, where you can drive with your car on it, then you can choose a gravel that is very high in paramagnetism, like basalt rock stones or lava rock stones that will increase paramagnetism and will stimulate the growth of your green, of your grass, and that can be also interesting. But if you just want weed free, then you take the lowest paramagnetic gravel. So depending on what you want to do, it's very interesting to choose the white and to measure the paramagnetism of the stones. Also, if you use stones for decoration, like here for that fountain, if you want the plants grow or thrive close to the stones, then you can use basalt stones that will stimulate the growth of your plants. Or for example, if you have like pots in concrete or structures where you want to plant plants like this is kind of rock, sculpted rock or kind of concrete, then where you want to plant plants inside and you want they grow big like this one, then you can put basaltic rock sand in the concrete, and then you will see it will help really very much the growth of your plants. So I hope this was interesting to discover for you, that aspect of electroculture, and see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel and comment. Look also in your garden and the parks around your place, if you see that observation too, and if it confirms what I say, because you can see it almost all over the places. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Beautiful place, that garden.